The natural world is filled with extraordinary creatures, some of which possess lethal toxins for hunting or protection. While many of these animals are striking in appearance, their venom or poison can be deadly to humans. Here are 6 of the most dangerous creatures you should avoid. Number 6. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish, found primarily in Australian and Southeast Asian waters, is among the most venomous marine animals. Its nearly invisible body makes it hard to detect, and its tentacles contain thousands of venomous cells called nematocysts. A sting from a box jellyfish can lead to agonizing pain, paralysis, heart failure, and even death within minutes. Some victims develop Irukandji syndrome, characterized by severe pain, nausea, and breathing difficulties. Immediate medical attention is critical. Number 5. Inland Taipan. Nicknamed the fierce snake, the inland taipan is the world's most venomous snake. Native to Central Australia, this reclusive serpent has venom estimated to be 50 times more potent than that of a cobra. A single bite carries enough venom to kill 100 adult humans, causing internal bleeding, organ failure, and paralysis. Fortunately, due to its shy nature and the availability of antivenom, fatalities are rare. Number 4. Poison dart frog. Brightly colored and found in the rainforests of Central and South America, poison dart frogs rank among the most toxic creatures on Earth. Their vivid hues serve as a warning to predators. The golden poison dart frog in particular secretes batrachotoxin, a substance that disrupts nerve function and can induce paralysis or cardiac arrest. A tiny amount of this toxin is lethal to multiple adult humans. Indigenous tribes have long used the frog's venom to coat hunting darts. Number 3. Blue-ringed octopus. Despite its small size, the blue-ringed octopus is one of the ocean's deadliest creatures. Found in tide pools and coral reefs around Australia and Japan, it carries tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that can cause muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within minutes. There is no known antidote, making a bite from this creature especially dangerous. When threatened, it displays its signature blue rings as a warning before striking. Number 2. Cone snail. Though they appear harmless, cone snails wield venomous harpoon-like teeth capable of delivering fatal stings. Found in tropical waters, the geography cone is particularly dangerous, with venom containing cytotoxins that can cause paralysis, extreme pain, and death. Some victims initially feel no pain, only for severe symptoms to set in rapidly. There is no specific anti-venom, and critical cases may require artificial respiration. Number 1. Stonefish. The stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world, often camouflaging itself on the ocean floor. Native to the Indo-Pacific, it possesses venomous spines along its back that can inject toxins when stepped on or touched. The venom causes intense pain, swelling, tissue destruction, and in extreme cases, heart failure. Due to its superb camouflage, beachgoers and divers must be vigilant to avoid accidental contact.